On March 12, 2023, officers with the Gas City Police Department in Indiana responded to an incident involving an injured woman and a vehicle. What began as a crash investigation quickly developed into allegations of impaired driving and an intentional vehicle strike, ultimately leading officers to investigate possible OWI and battery.
Where are you driving?
Right there.
I need you over here, please.
Listen.
I need you over here, please. Thank you.
There's so much going on.
Where's your driver's license at?
I don't have a driver's license on me.
She's the driver.
I was driving.
You just said you were driving. I just heard you.
I know. We were drinking.
You just said you were driving.
Listen, there's been a lot going on today with my friend's fiance that they're supposed to have a wedding and they just got...
Huh?
I live right around the corner. Like, I'm not a bad person. I have no record, no nothing.
But you gotta be honest with us.
I am being honest with you, please.
Were you driving?
No, sir. This is my grandma's car. It's over here because I was worried about her. Like, I'm not.
And what happened?
Lying. What do you mean what happened? I came here and she was here. I was taking care of her fucking kids. I was taking care of her kids.
Did you hit somebody with a car?
No, I was taking care of her kids.
Can you talk to me?
I was taking care of her kids.
Stay right here, okay?
I know, I was taking care of her kids.
Let me call you back. The cops are trying to talk to me. I love you. Later.
She was drinking, I was taking care of her kids. Like, I had Lincoln and kids.
All right, okay, you're taking care of her kids. Calm down.
What happened?
So, Bree had walked over here, and we were
Who's
talking.
Bree?
The one that's laying on the floor that got hit. She walked over here. Whatever. We was talking for a little bit, and then Caitlin and Raven had showed up, and they was knocking on the door or whatever. Well, we came. They knocked on the door. I told them to come in. They came in.
Okay, hang on. Short version. Who hit who with a car? Take her a little bit further. Just take her a little bit.
Come on here.
Oh dear God.
Well, why is no one want to let us know who hit somebody with the car?
Because they're our friends. So
why do you guys call 911?
Because she has a big knot on the back of her head. I'm not intoxicated at all.
Okay.
I'm here at my house.
Who was driving and hit the car?
Caitlin.
Who's Caitlin?
The one over there.
The one behind me?
Yes.
She was driving, okay. Were you with her?
No, fuck no.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
where were you at?
I was in my yard right here.
Okay, what did you see?
She spun out right here, and then she went really fast because Bree started walking, and Caitlin wanted her in the car, and she ran Bree over.
She ran over.
Bree.
I'm saying she ran her over.
Yeah.
77. Okay. So she came over here, I guess. The one over here.
You can see the spin on marks right here.
The one on the floor wanted her. She wanted her to come with her in the car. She didn't want to. She started walking, so she kind of like, I guess, got upset.
Yeah, like she spun
and she spun out, and that's when she hit her with the car.
Okay, so she was driving.
She was driving.
I don't know if it was accident or I'm not her, so.
Well, at this point, that doesn't matter. She was behind the wheel. She's been drinking, and she hit somebody. So at this point, we kind of have to do something about it. So.
Okay, well, can you do me a favor? Can you just say that you see something on the car and you know that it was her or something? Don't tell her that I had told you.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll try.
She did say initially that she was driving.
That's what she told him initially.
Yeah, and then they started changing it, and then. You were driving this car?
Excuse me, what?
You were driving this car?
This is my grandma's car.
Were you driving this car? I'm asking you a question.
I was driving that car, yes, sir.
Did you come here? Yes. Did you hit her with this? What did you hit her with?
Huh?
What did you hit her with?
I didn't hit her.
All right, now you're lying to an officer.
Listen, my grandma. Look, my grandma.
Now, listen.
I'm not lying. My grandma knocked this mirror off.
I'm asking you, how did you hit her?
I didn't hit my grandma.
I'm asking you, how did you hit her? With what
my
part of the
grandma
vehicle?
did this.
You're not listening to me, okay? I need you to relax. Okay?
I am relaxed, but you're yelling at me. I have anxiety. Please just calm down.
Listen. What did you hit her with? With what part of the vehicle did you hit her with?
I didn't hit her.
You did hit her.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Now you're lying.
No, I'm not. Can you prove it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Then I've never been in trouble. I'm a good person.
All right. You just calm down. Sit down right there, okay? Just sit down. Just sit down. Sit down right there.
I can't sit down.
Do you have a driver's license?
No, I mean, no, but I do have a driver's license. I don't understand what's going on.
435.
Like, I'm a good person. Like, I love my best friend.
10-4. She's gonna be the driver.
It wasn't her. It was a car coming in front of a car. It wasn't you, bro. You were following behind me and her car came and ran up.
Right.
And they're trying to accuse me of my grandma's car. Like,
Do you have any medical
all
problems?
I have is anxiety that I have a medical marijuana card for. That's it.
Okay, no problem.
So what happened today?
Bro, we were literally just here and I started walking because my friend was gonna drive, but my truck was out of the road, and I didn't have my keys, so I was like, it's okay, like, it's literally out of the road, like, I'll just run to my truck. And then somebody was coming around the corner, sharp as fuck, and they literally... Bro, they literally ran me the fuck over.
Yeah, you're good.
From what we're gathering, she's been drinking, driving.
Who?
You!
And everybody else.
You need to calm down, because I'm already upset. I'm about to take you to jail.
No, I am calm. I am calm.
Don't even talk to me right now. Don't even talk. You sit
look,
Go back to the car.
No, please.
Go back to the car.
Please.
Can you get her, please?
No, I will.
I got nothing to talk to you about.
The only reason I
got nothing to talk to you about.
The only reason I drove.
Did you hear what I just said?
Listen.
Did you hear what I just said?
Can you please listen?
No,
to
I'm
me
not gonna
first?
listen to you. You're a liar.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
The only reason I drove.
Stop talking to me, please.
They would be okay because their kids were in the fucking
Right.
car.
Okay. You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
I only drove here.
You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
I know that, but she.
You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
She was, and so I fucking chose to drove.
Yeah, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't chose that.
Car. My mom and my fucking uncle took care of her kids.
So I'm telling you right now. You should calm down.
I am calm.
No, you're
I'm
not.
just saying,
You need to calm down.
It's not fair how you're trying to blame me for something that I'm trying to take responsibility of. Like, her kids, she was drinking, and I'm trying to fucking be the bigger person to come over here and get her. And get her and her kids.
You should have never been driving.
To her house in Welford.
You should have never been driving.
And my mom would have watched the kids. And I asked her.
So we're not here about the kids. We're here about you drinking and driving and hitting somebody with a car, okay?
Can you go to my house?
No.
Yes, sir. I'm not going to be disrespectful. I'm just saying, like, I really did everything I could because me and Raven were worried about her. She is my best friend.
Okay.
And ever since we were at a dollar store, I tried to tell her, I was like, don't take your kids to drive.
Okay.
So we took her kids with a guy named Dave. That's my mom's best friend, Dave. You can call him and ask him. I'm not lying. I'm being dead ass serious. I'm a good person. I'm not a bad person.
This doesn't make you a bad person.
You know what I'm saying? But you can call them and ask them.
Doesn't make you a bad person.
You can call them and ask them.
I'm not going to call nobody.
But I'm saying you could.
This doesn't make you a bad person, bro. You lying. You lying about it makes you a bad person.
I promise to God I'm not lying.
Yeah, okay.
I can't make you believe me. You're a cop, so you're going to believe whatever you want to believe.
No, I don't. I just don't believe liars.
That's the truth.
You're drunk.
No,
I don't believe drunks.
That's the truth. You can
sorry.
call my mom. I tell her bring her drive to my house and drop her kids off so she would not be driving drinking with them. And me and Raymond wanted to look out for them.
Okay.
That's the fucking truth. And if you don't believe it, then that's you.
We're not here.
That's the fucking truth.
We're not here about the kids. We're here because you hit somebody in the car.
We are here about the kids because the kids are the fucking most important
We're here
thing.
because you hit somebody with a car.
I know how it is.
You hit somebody with a car.
I did not hit nobody
Yeah, you
with
did.
a car. No one did it.
Like, just so you know, we're done with the crash investigation, okay?
Okay.
But now we're changing it to a DUI investigation.
What does that mean?
So we're changing it to a driving under the influence investigation.
That's fine, but the only reason I was here was because I live right down the road, and my friend had something to handle, Bree, and the only reason I came here was to get her kids because she left her kids with me and my mom.
And how did he come here?
I live right down the road.
Okay.
And I asked my grandma. I asked my grandma for her car so I could come and get her and her kids, so I could get them home safe and well.
Did you drive here?
I drove right here. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're doing a DUI investigation. Okay.
Indiana law separation this case into two very different legal questions. The first is operating while intoxicated. The second is battery. Those offenses require different elements, and they should not be blended together merely because they arise from the same encounter. Under Indiana Code Section 9-300-5-2, the core OWI question is whether a person operated a vehicle while intoxicated. Operation and intoxication are separate elements. An admission to driving can establish operation, but it does not by itself prove impairment. Indiana also criminalizes operating with specified alcohol concentration equivalents under Section 9-30-5-1, but no certified blood alcohol result appears in the supplied record. That means no specific BAC should be assumed or stated as fact. For an impairment-based OWI case, officers may rely on the totality of the evidence. That can include admissions about drinking, witness observations, driving behavior, physical signs of impairment, field sobriety performance, and chemical testing when lawfully obtained. Probable cause is the key pretrial standard. It does not require proof beyond a reasonable doubt. It requires facts that would lead a reasonable person to believe an offense probably occurred. A later conviction would require a much higher level of proof. The battery allegation requires a separate analysis. Indiana Code Section 35-42-2-1 generally requires a knowing or intentional touching of another person in a rude, insolent, or angry manner. The mental state matters. A vehicle striking a person is not automatically battery. If the contact was truly accidental, the required knowing or intentional mental state may be missing. Prosecutors would need evidence showing that the contact was deliberate or at least knowing under the statutory standard. Evidence of anger acceleration, vehicle positioning, witness accounts, and the sequence immediately before impact could support an inference about intent. But an inference is not the same as a proven fact. Conflicting witness statements would remain important at trial.
That's fine, okay, yes, I understand, but I don't understand
So you shouldn't
why.
be drinking and driving.
No, I understand that, but I don't
why?
understand.
Because by accident you might hit somebody.
No, I haven't hit anybody, and that's what I'm saying.
So that's why we're doing it.
I came to get
You're good.
her.
You're good.
I came to listen.
You're good.
Please listen to me,
You're good.
please.
We're done.
You're getting nothing right now.
Yeah, you're good.
He's not. No, he's not.
I've never had it. I've never ever
So this
had
doesn't make you a bad person?
No, I've
so
never
just don't
had
think
a
that you-
record in my life.
Okay, well,
You said you're not a bad person.
that doesn't make you
You
anything.
made a mistake.
No, I've never been.
It's a mistake that we all make. That's it.
Okay.
Not a big deal. You're making it worse than it is. Okay?
No, I'm really not. But I only came here because I was trying to protect my friend.
Okay.
And I had possession. I had possession of her kid.
Where's your driver's license at?
My driver's license is at my house, which is literally right down the road, like a quarter turn right, and I live right down that road.
Can somebody-
I live on Ridgewood.
Can somebody grab your license or no?
No, they can, but I can. You can drive me to my house.
No.
Yes, sir.
Why is water here?
I'm not a bad person. I have no.
No one said you were.
I have no criminal history.
So that's something you're gonna explain to the judge, okay?
No, like, so I'm gonna go to jail.
We don't know yet. We're
But
conducting
why
an
is that?
investigation.
Because I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, well, you explain that to the jail.
I haven't though.
Okay.
I came here to get my best friend so she could be with her kids, and I had her
Okay.
kids. I had possession of her kids.
Okay. I don't, like, we're not here for that.
I know, but like, why is that? Why did that come in when I was just trying to do the right thing and go back get
See,
her?
you can't do the right thing when you've been drinking.
No, but I was getting her so I could
Especially
get her
when
for
you're
her
driving.
kids. No, I understand that. But then I could get back to Wellburn.
So you're gonna drive to Wellburn drunk?
I'm not drunk though. That's the thing.
Come on, man. Are you kidding? Are you serious right now?
Hey, Caitlin.
But it
Like,
was
come on,
either
let-
her.
I fixed to go to her house to get the kids. You want to get your license?
Yes, please.
Can I can't go with you.
She can go. Yeah, she can go.
I don't know where it
I'll be
is.
right back.
I don't know where
Okay, well, I just asked your mom. I have to get the kids either way, okay? I'll be right back.
Listen, I haven't had any criminal record in the
Okay,
past.
that's something that you're
I
gonna.
came here for her and her kids because I was so worried about her kids because me and that girl Raven, she has her daughter and she just went through something traumatic. So I came here because she lives right around the corner and all I wanted was Sabrina to come to her senses so I could get her kids. I didn't know I'm in the wrong and I don't understand.
Okay.
I will do anything.
You have the right to remain
cannot.
silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, will be appointed to you. You have the right to have an attorney present
I
during any
didn't hear
questioning,
her.
if you wish.
Can we please call her?
Listen to me. Let me get through this. Hang on. Why are we calling her?
Listen, because I am not guilty. You need to call her. She will tell
You have the right to
you.
remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney with you prior, during, or after any questioning. If you can't afford an attorney or desire one, the court will appoint one for you. You may stop the questioning at any time by refusing to answer further or requesting to consult with your attorney. Having these rights in mind, you still wish to talk to me?
Miranda creates another distinct issue. Under Miranda v. Arizona, custodial interrogation generally requires warnings about the right to remain silent and the right to counsel. But not every police question during a roadside investigation is automatically custodial. In Berkemer v. McCarty, the United States Supreme Court held that ordinary traffic stop questioning is generally non-custodial for Miranda purposes. The analysis changes when the restraint becomes comparable to formal arrest. Once the encounter becomes clearly custodial, continued interrogation should follow a valid Miranda advisement and waiver. A person may also invoke the right to remain silent or request counsel. If either right is clearly invoked, interrogation rules become much stricter.
I've never been through this.
Basically saying you have.
I'm not a bad person.
I'm not saying you are.
I'm really fucking not.
I'm not
a really good
Listen
person.
to me. I'm not saying you're a bad person. I think you made a bad decision.
I haven't done anything. Like if I.
So I think you made a bad decision.
No, I haven't. I tried to be
And I
there
think-
for her fucking
And
kids.
I think standing here lying to me about the whole
I'm
thing.
not lying. Listen, please,
Stop stepping up on me.
please.
So
But I haven't.
you're
I tried to
you're standing here
rescue.
telling me a bold-faced
No,
lie.
I tried to rescue her kids.
Uh huh.
She wanted to go to her
Here's the problem.
ex-girlfriend's
You've
house.
been drinking. You got behind the wheel of that car and hit her with the car.
I didn't.
There's marks over here where you peeled out. I've got
not
witnesses
hit her
saying you
with the
peeled out, and that's when you hit her with the side of the car.
Did not.
Okay.
What I'm trying to tell you is.
So here's my thing.
Yes.
Why would I trust anything you say at this point when you told us a bold-faced lie right from the beginning? First you told him you drove when we got on scene. Told him you were driving. Then you tried to change it to no, I wasn't driving.
Then you're trying to tell me that you're not drunk.
Yeah, and that's...
It's not even that. I'm just saying that I was the one that was the only one fucking responsible for saving her kids.
That's
once
cool.
again,
And then the process of doing that-
I'm the
you need
only
to calm
one.
down.
No,
Calm down.
because I'm the only one.
need to
I was
calm
there for her fucking son's
Hey,
birth.
listen to me.
No,
Listen
I
to
was
me.
there for
Hey.
her son's birth, and I'm the only one that gave.
10-15. 10-15.
Yes, sir. And I was the only one who gave a fuck. Yes, sir.
All right. Are you going to calm down now?
Can I smoke a cigarette or something?
No, that's past.
Yes, sir.
Now, that being said, are you willing to do FS field sobriety test for me?
For what? Because y'all are going to arrest me anyways.
Are you willing to do field sobriety tests?
What does that mean?
Walk
what
and
do I
turn.
need to do? Are you gonna fucking uncuff me? Because I can't fucking do it like this. Y'all are gonna stress me out. I have anxiety.
If you can calm down.
I'm gonna have a panic attack.
If you can calm down.
I'm gonna have a panic attack.
Yeah.
I know, but I'm not a bad person, and you guys just fucking think I am.
No, we don't. You're a liar.
I'm not a fucking liar.
You're a liar. You're not a bad person, but you're a liar.
All right.
Field sobriety tests should also be kept separate from a certified chemical test. Field tests are investigative tools. Their reliability depends on standardized administration and on physical medical footwear, surface lighting, and environmental conditions. From a tactical and evidentiary standpoint, officers are strongest when they separate witnesses, document statements, independently preserve physical evidence, identify observable signs of impairment, and avoid unnecessary arguments once probable cause has been developed. Repeated accusations may feel justified when statements conflict, but professional questioning is usually more effective when it focuses on specific facts. Neutral questions create a cleaner record and reduce the chance that emotional escalation will interfere with the investigation.
Sylvia.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
I need a fucking napkin.
Listen to me.
No, I'm listening, but you guys aren't fucking listening to me. You guys are ruining my life. I haven't had a fucking record in ever.
Okay.
And I'm a good person. I'm a good fucking person. I live right down the road. The only reason I came here was to say my best friend's fucking kids, and then you guys are gonna arrest me.
We're gonna request that you take a breath test when you get to the jail. You willing to do that?
Leave me the fuck alone.
So is that a refusal?
Leave me alone.
Okay. You realize if you refuse, they suspend your license, correct?
Fuck it. Leave me the fuck alone. Get up, piss me the
Refusal.
fuck.
Take her.
The chemical test issue is legally different from the right to silence. Indiana's implied consent law provides that a person who operates a vehicle in the state is subject to chemical testing requirements when the statutory conditions are met. Indiana Code Sections 9-30-6-1 and 9-30-6-2 govern implied consent and the offer of chemical testing. Section 9-30-6-7 requires a warning that refusal can result in suspension of driving privileges. In Bernal v. State, the Indiana Supreme Court analyzed refusal within this statutory framework. The practical point is important. Declining to answer police questions and refusing a chemical test are not the same legal act, and they can produce very different consequences. The primary officers receive a B. They develop multiple sources of evidence, transition the investigation, appropriately administered Miranda warnings, and address the implied consent process. The main weakness was avoidable argumentative communication. The subject receives a D+. Her stated motive may provide context, but motive does not erase the elements of OWI. Contradictory statements continued argument after warnings, and the chemical test refusal exchange significantly weakened her legal position. The most important lesson is simple. Good intentions do not cancel statutory elements. A person can believe they are helping someone and still create criminal exposure by driving after drinking. A second lesson is that silence in chemical test refusal must not be confused. A person may have a constitutional right to stop answering custodial questions, while implied consent laws can still impose separate consequences for refusing a properly requested chemical test. A third lesson is that intent matters. In a battery prosecution, investigators and courts must distinguish between an accidental collision and knowing or intentional contact. That distinction can determine whether the evidence supports battery or a different offense. Finally, the best legal analysis separates suspicion, probable cause charges, and conviction. They are not interchangeable. Charges are allegations, probable cause is a preliminary standard, and guilt must ultimately be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction and courtroom content.